Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be making some grits and sausage. So it is back to school time for us, and I am just preparing this very simple way to start the day. I've got 1 cup of water, I have 1/2 cup of grits, and then I have salt and pepper. For the butter, I do have a plant-based butter. This is the Country Crop plant butter with almond oil. And I can tell you, my son is on this meat-free kick, so he's cutting back on his meat. So for the sausage, I've got this veggie breakfast sausage. And it's actually pretty good. The way he eats it is that once I cook it, he likes to crumble it up and put the sausage links in his grits. And grits is just one of those versatile recipes. You can put almost anything in grits. So this is a look at the butter in case you haven't seen it, and here is the sausage. I'm going to try to film with one hand and let you take a closer look at it before I cook it. Of course, you can use a sausage of your choice. Sausage is very simple to cook. It's just a matter of heating it up. So I'm going to show you the side of the box for this particular sausage. You can heat it in a skillet, in the oven, or in the microwave. Me personally, I always cook our sausage on the George Foreman grill. And then for those of you who are interested, I just wanted you to see the ingredients in this sausage in case you were vegan and not vegetarian. Because it does contain some wheat and some egg and milk products. I did want you to see that. But without any further ado, I have the sausage on the George Foreman grill, and I'm over at the stove and I am cooking up this grits. So I started boiling that cup of water, and then I just added in the 1/2 cup of grits, sprinkled in some salt and pepper, and when I started boiling the water, I also added in the plant butter. And you can add butter to your taste. My son likes his pretty buttery, so what I'm going to do is put a little bit of butter or a pat of butter on the top of the grits as well as soon as it's done. But grits cooks really quickly, so you don't want to step away from this. I have my whisk, and I'm just going to whisk all the ingredients together, and it starts to bubble and thicken. So within a matter of minutes, this grits is ready to serve. And that is it. Grits is one filling breakfast. It just kind of sticks to your gut. You can season it to taste, and like I said, you can put almost anything in grits. It's very common in my state. I'm from South Carolina, where grits just rolls. And like I said, you just put the sausage of your choice. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on that notification bell, and I will, of course, talk to you either in the comments below if you choose to leave me one, or in the next video. Bye for now.